All right, try again. Don't slip. So I've been in this house for 2 days now. About a day and a half. We've slept here twice. And this is the future home of my pottery studio. And
My pottery studio.
3 days ago, I installed a sump pump. And then we had a big storm last night. And the sump pump was working all night. It was doing a wonderful job. And we lost power. And when we lost power, our house is full of water. We're trying to clean everything out. There's a lot of things that are ruined, boxes that have been just soaked with stuff. So, trying to get everything clean. This is just part of the journey. Part of the journey.